So here we have our mRNA strand. I left each of the 6 codons separated via string just to make the visualization and explanation process a little bit easier. So translation begins when an mRNA strand, as shown, binds to a ribosome. For the purpose of this assignment, the ribosome is this gray sheet-like material right here. So what happens first is a tRNA molecule carrying MET binds to the start codon, AUG. So this is the start codon, AUG, that belongs to the mRNA, and then UAC is the anticodon belonging to the tRNA molecule. What happens next is a tRNA molecule carrying ALA binds to the second codon. The ribosome links the first amino acid to the second to begin the amino acid chain of a protein. I'm going to visualize this as best as I can with this string here. So it links the first one to the second one. And just to make it a little bit easier, I'm just going to go like this. And then the first tRNA, now unloaded, is released and let go. And then this whole process right here pretty much keeps on repeating. And so a tRNA molecule carrying PHE binds to the third codon, and then the ribosome links the second amino acid to the third. And the amino acid will go right here. And the tRNA molecule, now empty, will leave. And once again, a tRNA molecule carrying TRP will bind to the 4th codon, and the ribosome will link the third amino acid to the 4th. And I'm visualizing this by taking these off and putting them here. And now the third tRNA molecule, now empty of its amino acid, will leave. And then a tRNA molecule carrying LEU will bind to the 5th codon, and the ribosome will link the 4th amino acid to the 5th. So that will go here. And once again, the tRNA molecule, now empty, will leave. And then finally, a tRNA molecule carrying TYR will bind to the 6th codon, and the ribosome will link the 5th amino acid to the 6th to begin creating that chain. So this will go here, and then the tRNA molecule, empty, will leave. And this will continue as it goes down the list of codons. As the ribosome moves one codon at a time, tRNA molecules will bind to the mRNA, and the amino acids will link in the correct order. When the ribosome finally does reach a stop codon, which is not pictured here, the mRNA and completed amino acid chain will break off of the ribosome. So I can't really picture that, but if this were an ending or stop codon, this would link here, and then this would float off by itself, and the mRNA strand would float off all by itself.